Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to tell you about xDollar's new xUSD-USDC farming pool that just released today, actually. They put out 150,000 XDO to be distributed to stakeholders. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here at xDollar.fi, we click on Use xDollar and go down to Enter App. Then we're here at the main menu. We click this little hamburger button at the top left corner. Go to Farm. Now you'll see that they have the xUSD Matic farm, which I talked about in the other video, as well as the brand new xUSD-USDC farm. So we're going to show you how to use this USDC farm. First of all, you're going to want to obtain your DLP tokens by adding liquidity to the pool on DFYN. So click this. Now basically, you're going to want to swap and make sure you have some USDC as well as some xUSDC. And you're going to want to match these perfectly by just clicking on one of them, just max one of them out. So we'll do the USDC. And that is the perfect pair. Then we click Supply, Confirm Supply. I'm going to bump my gas up a little bit. This network's congested today. Confirm. And the transaction's complete. That's what happens when you bump your gas up. So now it looks like we have our LP tokens. We can then go back to xDollar. Then you click on the stake button. Max it out. Then you want to approve your DFYN LP. After that is approved, once this gets out of my way, you push confirm, then confirm again. Now you're submitted. And now you are officially staked. So right now the APR is 172%, which is very generous for a stable coin pool. If you ever want to add to the pool, you simply push adjust, add more tokens. You just repeat the earlier process, create some more tokens, then add them, restake them to the pool. You can also claim reward and unstake and claim reward if you choose so. That pretty much covers the new xUSD-USDC pool. If you thought this video was helpful and informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Cryptology. Thank you and goodbye.